Hi everyone, this is Felix and welcome back to Make It Easy. And for today's video, I'm going to show you on how to enable dark mode in YouTube. And let's get started. First, on YouTube desktop website, click your profile icon found in the top right corner of the page. On the panel, click the appearance. By default, YouTube will follow your computer's system-wide theme settings. Choose dark theme. And that's it. The advantage of using dark mode in YouTube is that it provides an easier on the eyes viewing experience. It is particularly satisfying when watching videos in the dark or at night. And that's it. If you have any questions, queries, suggestions, feel free to hit the comment below in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to support my channel, just click the join button below and become a beloved member for just $1 a month. See ya!